Looking for a Backuptrans WhatsApp transfer alternative. Many users find Backuptrans confusing or limited. In this video, we'll show 7 tools that are easier to use, support cross-platform transfer, and offer extra features like selective restore and bulk export. Top 1. Best Backuptrans WhatsApp Transfer Alternative. Social App Transfer. Seamless transfer of WhatsApp chats across Android and iOS devices is possible with social app transfer without overwriting existing data. Messages and media can be backed up to a computer for safekeeping. How to use the best Backuptrans WhatsApp transfer alternative. To transfer WhatsApp chats to a new smartphone, begin the process by downloading and installing Social App Transfer on your computer, and then open the application in the left-hand menu. Click on the WhatsApp icon. Connect both devices via USB. Follow prompts to ensure recognition. Confirm source and destination. Use Flip if needed. Click Transfer to start. Top 2. Mobitrix WhatsApp Transfer. WhatsApp data can be efficiently moved between phones, including media attachments. Using Mobitrix WhatsApp Transfer, chat histories can be exported to a computer in readable formats. Top 3. UnicTool ChatMover. Backups and restorations of WhatsApp chats on both Android and iOS devices are handled easily with UnicTool ChatMover. Individual conversations can be restored without affecting other data. Top 4. FonePaw WhatsApp Transfer. Migration of WhatsApp chats across phones with different operating systems is supported by FonePaw WhatsApp Transfer. Messages and media can be previewed before transferring, and backup and restore features prevent accidental data loss. Top 5. iToolab WatsGo. Moving WhatsApp messages, photos, and attachments between devices is fast and convenient using iToolab WatsGo. Android and iOS are both supported without overwriting existing content. Top 6. Wazzap Migrator. Transferring WhatsApp chats from iPhone to Android is handled smoothly with Wazzap Migrator. Media files, emojis, and attachments remain intact during migration. Integration with Google Drive allows optional backups. Top 7. Syncios WhatsApp Transfer. Backing up, restoring, and transferring WhatsApp data across multiple devices is made easy with Syncios WhatsApp Transfer. Messages and attachments can be previewed before restoring,